Whew. What it do, YouTube family? HandsomeMothaTRUCKA, we back in this mother sucker, baby. Hey man, we made it to Indianapolis, Indiana safely. Got the load here safely. You know what I'm saying? And that means, you know what I'm saying, we just added some more money to the bank account, baby. You know what I'm saying? But right now, man, your boy tired. My album beat. You know what I'm saying? About to give me a good old shower in, give me some sleep. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna even worry about getting nothing to eat, man. I'm that tired, man. I eat tomorrow, man. But hey man, we out this thing, baby. I wanna appreciate everybody for tuning in with your boy, riding along with your boy. Everybody who just come in and watch the ride along. Even if you ain't even subscribed, baby, I still appreciate y'all for pulling up on your boy. But until next time, baby, peace.
If you want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me. 'Cause I could be the rain in your desert sky. I could be the
Hey, what it do, YouTube family? HandsomeMothaTRUCKA, we back in this motherfucker, baby. Today we in McDonough, Georgia. We picking up in LULA, Georgia, and we heading on back to Indianapolis, Indiana. We picking up from like a cold storage. I think it's called like AmeriCold or something like that. But on the last vlog, of course, you know we dropped off in Forest Park, Georgia. So now we about to pick up in LULA, Georgia. We in McDonough. It's about an hour and 30 minutes away. So right now we just walking around. I've already did like a little post trip or whatever, but I'm about to do like a little small little pre-trip, make sure everything good. Just going around it, checking to make sure everything's straight. Man, it was this guy where I normally park it out here in McDonough. His truck been parked right there for a long time, right? Like even like last week when I was here in park. And I just seen this old lady, you know, she just dropped him off back to his truck or whatever. And I could tell that his truck haven't been moved in like years. I mean, I said years. Have been moved in like weeks or whatever. So he gets back in his truck and he just, I guess he just like cut his pre-trip clock on or whatever. But he didn't even get out physically and walk around the joint. I'm talking about for your truck to have been sitting for weeks like that, he ain't even, you know what I'm saying, go around and check it, man. So it was just more motivation for me to check mine. You know, I was gonna do it anyway, but it was just more motivation for me to not even, to not be lazy and do it for real, you know what I'm saying? So right now, cut my reef on. My reefer has to be set on -10 for where I'm going. So I'm finna get it pre-cooled or whatever. And like I said, we about an hour and a half away from LULA, Georgia. So by the time we make it there, it should be, you know, -10 or whatever. It'll be -10 before I get there, but so now it's booting up or whatever. You just gotta catch up with it. So once it cuts on or whatever, the motor starts running. And right now, it's showing yellow. It's just booting up right now. It's green now. Yeah, it's green now. So yeah, we on -10. So it's already on -10. The box temperature is showing 78.9. It's hot. It's hot. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, man, the pre-trip is good. We about to get ready to head on now. Check the thing, y'all. Listen to it, y'all. Listen to it. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, she's smoking that. She's smoking that, but let's hit the road, baby. LULA, Georgia, man. We on the way. Let's roll. YouTube family, we've made it to LULA, Georgia. We've made it to the shipper. I gotta get done writing this paperwork up because I never started it, and I need the pickup numbers to be able to tell these for what I need. So we'll see y'all on the inside. I'm about to get ready to write this paperwork up so we can make sure we got everything we need, baby. Holler back at y'all later. All right, guys, let's go get checked in. We were supposed to be on -10. It's on 16 still. Hopefully it get cool for their car. Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
All right, checking in. Got a 2 o'clock.
Form, please.
Hmm?
Fill out one of the forms out there.
Okay. All right, guys, we all checked in. She said she gonna call me once she got a door, but soon I got to the truck, she called me with a door. So we got door 44. It's one of them places where you keep your doors closed and they open it from the inside. But the thing about it is, my trailer is not on -10. I mean, it's getting there, but shit, I might have to sit at the door until it get to -10. It's on like 13 right now. It's getting down there. At first it was on 7, 8. I should have cut that thing on, man, like a couple of hours before I headed out. Just gonna hope for the best, man. Let's go ahead and line up to this door real fast. I'm talking about y'all, literally, we in the dope just like that, baby. It ain't take me not even 5 seconds to get up in this thing. But we good and docked. Our doors are still closed. They're gonna open them from the inside. Your boy didn't have to do no pull-ups either, man. You know what I'm saying? Your boy didn't have to do no pull-ups. And hopefully this temperature can go ahead and just drop down to -10, man. Let's get it down to the negatives, baby. Cause I know it's gonna take them probably a little minute to even start on me. So hopefully by the time they do open it up, it ain't gonna delay my loading process. So I'll check back with y'all once temperature done drop down to the negatives, baby. All right, guys, so I spoke with one of the guys, one of the loaders or whatever. He came out and did like the little temperature check on the trailer, make sure everything was good. And I went out there, I was like, man, it's trying to get down, ain't it? But he was like, it's okay, it's cool. So he about to go ahead and load me up. They working on it now, they unload me. I mean, they load me now, I got the red light. So once I get the green light, I'm gonna pull up. Go over there across the way on there where them spots at, and we're gonna go in there and get our paperwork, and we're gonna be on our way to Indianapolis. So y'all just stay tuned, man, and work with your boy, man. We getting up out of here. Yeah, we got that green light ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and get this paperwork checked out, and we're gonna hit the road, baby. Let's get it. All right, guys, we got the paperwork. We ready to rock and roll. Now we gotta go outside and secure this bag, baby. Let's go.
We rising up, yeah. Now look at us. We rising up. You don't really know it. Me, I got something that I need to prove. I cannot lose, nah. Everything I do that really is news. You look confused, why? You are what you choosing to do. Me, I've been making the moves, paying my dues, getting this done with the fam. Y'all know that I am the dude. Bend that low, hit that high, got that hustle, got that drive. One more time, best alive. I want it all, everything mine. We done came for it all, and we ain't backing down, no. We rising up. We rising up. Yeah, now look it up. We rising up. Me, I got something to prove. I wanna lose. Yeah, something to prove. You know that I wanna lose. Yeah, gonna leave this here. This right here gonna be that year. Yeah, that's too sincere. I don't really think I could be that clear. I'ma be right here, but y'all know that. Wanna feed my fist, try to hold me back. Y'all do that, try to hold me down. Karma is real and it's coming around. Yeah, we done came for it all, and we ain't backing down, no. We rising up. We rising up. Yeah, now look it up. We rising up.
Time to get some real, baby. Let me look at my deal. right, y'all, we gonna do this en route inspection. Something smoking, y'all. I wanna say, damn, mountain I just went under. Them brothers smoking. Gotta top that off. Coming in a truck stop, y'all. Look how they got us coming in. I meant to say. It's crazy. You gotta go way around there. It was some folks coming through here earlier just blowing at each other. It was crazy, man. But I'm finna get the hell on up out of here. What it do, YouTube family? HandsomeMothaTRUCKA, we back in this motherfucker, baby. Hey man, we made it to Indianapolis, Indiana safely. Got the load here safely. You know what I'm saying? And that means, you know what I'm saying, we just added some more money to the bank account, baby. You know what I'm saying? But right now, man, your boy tired. My album beat. You know what I'm saying? About to give me a good old shower in, give me some sleep. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna even worry about getting nothing to eat, man. I'm that tired, man. I eat tomorrow, man. But hey man, we out this thing, baby. I wanna appreciate everybody for tuning in with your boy, riding along with your boy. Everybody who just come in and watch the ride along. Even if you ain't even subscribed, baby, I still appreciate y'all for pulling up on your boy. But until next time, baby, peace.